Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the Digital Studios of Market Club, and we're looking at a Bitcoin chart for the BRTI, which is the CME's real-time index. And as you can see, Bitcoin is having one of the worst weeks it's had since 2013, trading down as low as 35% today. In fact, the Bitstamp, which compares Bitcoin US dollar, was actually down a little over 42% earlier today before backing off those lows. And in fact, Coinbase, one of the biggest Bitcoin marketplaces, announced a little after 11 a.m. this morning that all buying and selling was temporarily disabled amid the price rout, making it impossible for investors to cash out their trades. And if you've been trading Bitcoin on Coinbase, you know that's not a new phenomenon, as they've struggled to handle high demand in the recent months. But the question is this panic selling by new investors, or is it just business as usual for Bitcoin? But as you can see, currently trading around 12,993.18, down about 32.5% on the day, with a chart analysis score plus 65. Your key level to watch has been bumped up to 10,624.11 for BRTI. If it moves below that level, we will issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. And we'll back this out here and just kind of take a look at the daily chart, and you can see the move down that really started at the beginning of the week, and it's progressively head lower. Of course, the big news was on Sunday that the CME started selling futures that you could trade, although with high margin rates, but that has put Bitcoin under some pressure, as well as the regular market. So with that, we'll take a look at the regular indexes, see where we stand, and give you some key levels to watch next week. And we'll start with the S&P 500, and we'll change these to a weekly chart, being that it's Friday. Currently trading at 2,680.54 with the chart analysis score plus 90, indicating that overall the long-term trend is up, just coming under a little bit of weakness as we roll into Christmas this week. Key level to watch has moved up to 2,624.75. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. Moving along to the Dow Jones, currently trading at 24,729.33 with a chart analysis score plus 90, indicating that overall the strong trend is still in place and heading higher. Key level to watch next week will be 24,101.24. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. NASDAQ currently trading at 6,953.17 with a chart analysis score plus 90. Key level to watch should be 6,734.13. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. Then we have the dollar index coming under pressure this week as the tax reform bill was signed. Key level to watch is currently trading actually at 92.92 with a chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that the trend is weakening and heading for a sidelines position. Key level to watch would be 92.69. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar. And I told you earlier in the week I would give you a key level to watch for gold, as it's actually up 1.7% on the week with a chart analysis score negative 55, trading at 1,279.20. And your key level to watch today as we wrap up the week will be 1,280.50. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade trial indicating a move to a long position on a short-term basis for gold. And once it opens up next week, you want to look at 1,280.40 if we don't get above that level today before trading closes. So key level to watch, 1,280.50 today, and then 1,280.40 for next week. So keep that in mind. And we'll wrap it up with crude oil, currently trading at 57.46 with a chart analysis score plus 100, up about 0.2% on the week. Your key level to watch for crude oil will be 56.82. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position for crude oil. With that, every success. Merry Christmas to all of you out there, and we'll be back next week.